So this has been great, Darshan. Knowing your journey from starting off in Book My Show to working right now in Berlin, there are so many things that you've uh, persevered and overcome as well. But along with your victories, there you've mentioned a lot of times in your blogs as well that there have been times when you felt low, you felt a bit let down, you felt a bit anxious, like everyone, like majority of beginners do as well.
Yeah.
So what is your advice for beginners who are starting off and who feel that way?
Yeah. So I would say, like, see, we as designers, we are very emotional humans, and when doesn't matter if you are a beginner or if you are an expert at something, you would still have that time in your career where you might feel down. So what I do for this is, I have this thing called a screenshot project. So people, whenever somebody reaches out to me or they share something good about the work that I've done, or they would just share that how something that I've created has helped them, I would always screenshot that. And this is just for me. So I would screenshot it and keep it safe. And whenever I feel down, I would just see what are the comments that I've received from the people in the past, how they appreciated my work. And this would also remind me that why I started doing something, or like if I mean, it's a great motivation to see that people find your work useful, right? And it just cheers me up, and it lightens my mood. And I can also think I can also go back, I can time travel a bit and see, I can get that feeling again, where I used to feel so empowered or so motivated to do something. So that's always helped me. And the other thing is that if you keep on sharing things, like if you are working in a siloed environment, and you don't have any feedback loop, or you don't have anyone to talk to, it's going to be very difficult, and you might be very hard on yourself. So identifying some friends who you could talk to about this, or sharing your learnings or your journey on social media. I mean, if you're comfortable with that, do that. Otherwise, you can also have some good friends that you have. Also try to find friends in the same profession, so they might be able to relate well with what you are talking about. So also see, I mean, you would, over the time in your career, you would also identify some of the people as your inspiration or mentors. You could also reach out to them for that. So all of these things would always cheer me up again.
That's great. I feel everyone will be using this because a lot of us feel that way, feel let down, and feel that they are imposter syndrome takes a big is very common
Yeah,
amongst all of us. And I feel this should help them, especially during this period when human communication is limited to only interfaces.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.